This is Alan with TabTech and tabtechunlocksim.com. This is the Cricket Samsung device unlock code service. If you have a Samsung device with the original carrier being Cricket and you need it unlocked to use on another carrier such as T-Mobile, Mint Mobile, Metro PCS, even AT&T, you will need to get your device unlocked to use another carrier. Now, if you put a SIM card, another carrier SIM card, let's say you have a Cricket S21 and you put a T-Mobile SIM card in it and it is not unlocked, you'll get, as soon as you put the T-Mobile SIM card in there, you will get the device asking for a code. That is the unlock code that comes from the carrier. We have access to that server, to those codes. We have access to the server that would supply the code. So when you purchase this service from us, you'd simply supply your email and a delivery email so we can notify you once we get the codes, we can send them to you. So you can put the code in your phone and get it unlocked. Now, the only prerequisites is it has to ask for a unlock code in order for this to work. This is the unlock code for any Cricket Samsung device. So if you're in need of that, please go on our website, tabtechunlocksim.com, and we'd be more than happy to get that code for you. I think it's only about 1 or 2 days, and we can get you that unlock code. Thank you very much.